Lecture 4. How to import video, audio and images. Now that you have created a sequence and understand how it works, it's time to import the raw material you will be working with. Whether it's a video from your phone, background music or a title image, every project starts with importing media into your editing space. In this lecture, we will discuss the different ways to import video, audio and image files into your Premiere Pro, and how to keep those files organized from the beginning, which will save you a lot of stress down the line. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to import different type of media files into Premiere Pro. Use both manual import and drag and drop methods. Organize your imported files in the project panel using bins. Understand which file formats work best in Premiere Pro. Why importing correctly matters. Think of Premiere Pro as your editing workshop and media files as your raw materials. If you bring in files the wrong way, lose track of them or mix up versions, the editing process becomes frustrating. So before you start cutting and trimming, you need to know how to bring your assets in properly and keep them organized. How to import media into Premiere Pro. There are two main ways to import video, audio and images into your project. Method 1. File menu import. Go to File. Then select Import. And here you can see, choose your file. For example, I want to choose this file and click on Open. Method 2. Drag and drop. If your file explorer or desktop is open, you can drag any file directly into the project panel. It's quick and easy, but make sure you don't accidentally drop it into the timeline unless you are ready to edit. For example, simply drag your file and drop them into the timeline. Here you can see. It's best to import files from a folder that's inside the same folder where your Premiere project is saved. This avoids broken links later if files get moved. Organizing files using bins. Once you have imported your media, you will notice the project panel can get messy fast, especially with multiple clips, music files and images. This is where bins come in. To create a bin, go to the project panel, right click and select New Bin. Rename your bin, for example, and press enter. A good organization will save you time and keep you from dragging the wrong clip onto your timeline. Supported file types. Premiere Pro accepts a wide range of file types, but here are the most common ones you will likely use. Video MP4, MOV, AVI, audio, MP3, WAV, AAC, images, JPG, PNG, PSD. Try to avoid using files straight from online storage like Google Drive unless they are downloaded to your computer. Working directly from the cloud can slow down your editing or cause errors.